morning students. Today definition 2.4. If z equal to x plus iy, then the modulus of z denoted by modulus z is defined by modulus z equal to square root of x square plus y square. Okay, once again listen. If z equal to x plus iy, then the modulus of z denoted by modulus z is defined by modulus z equal to square root of x square plus y square. Okay, for example, for instance, first one, modulus I. Here real part is 0, so square root of 0 square. Imaginary part, that is coefficient of imaginary part is 1, so 1 square. 0 square plus 1 square equal to 1. And second example, modulus of minus 12i. Minus 12i. Here also real part is 0. So in our formula, square root of x square plus y square, it means what? Real part square plus imaginary part square within square root. Okay. Here real part is 0, so 0 square plus imaginary part is minus 12. So minus 12 whole square. Minus square is plus, so answer is 12. 12 square, square root of 12 square is equal to 12. And third one, 12 minus 5i. We are going to compute modulus. Okay, modulus of 12 minus 5i. Here real part is 12, so 12 square. Y, that is imaginary part is minus 5. Here minus 5 the whole square. 12 square 144 and 5 square 25. So the answer is square root of 169. Square root value is 13. Are you understand the modulus of z? Yes, very good. Okay, next note, if z equal to x plus iy, then z bar is, do you know z bar? Yes, that is conjugate of z. Very good. Z bar is equal to x minus iy. We calculate z into z bar. Z is x plus iy, z bar is x minus iy. This is likely what formula? Algebraic formula, a plus b into a minus b. Very good. A square minus b square. So here a square is x square, b square is iy whole square. Here I square, y square, we have already one minus symbol. Then I square value is also minus 1. So minus into minus plus y square. This is what? Comparing the modulus of z. Here modulus z is square root of x square plus y square. Here z bar equal to x square plus y square without square root. So what you conclude? Here this is equal to modulus z whole square. We are squaring modulus z, we get the answer same. Are you understand? X square plus y square. So z bar equal to modulus z whole square. That is modulus z whole square. This is equal to z into z bar. Okay. Now we are going to know some properties of modulus of a complex number. Okay. Properties of a modulus of a complex number. Here we have 8 properties. Okay. First one, modulus z equal to modulus z bar. Do you understand? Modulus z equal to modulus z bar. How? Suppose z equal to x plus iy and z bar equal to x minus iy. Both modulus. Here modulus z is square root of x square, real part square plus imaginary part square, that is square root of x square plus y square. Modulus z bar. Here also x square minus y whole square. Okay. So minus y whole square equal to plus y square. So both answers equal. So we have to write modulus z equal to modulus z bar. And second one, modulus z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2. This is called triangle inequality. This is called what? Triangle inequality. Next we are going to prove the triangle inequality. Okay, now third one, modulus z1 into z2. This is equal to modulus z1 into modulus z2. We split the modulus. Okay. Next, fourth one, likely triangle inequality. Okay, here triangle inequality we have z1 plus z2, but here modulus of z1 minus z2, but this is greater than or equal to modulus of modulus z1 minus modulus z2. Okay, now fifth one, divide. Modulus of z1 by z2, this is equal to modulus z1 by modulus z2, where z2 not equal to 0. Because if z2 equal to 0, what is the answer? The answer will be undefined. And if denominator equal to 0, the answer is undefined. So z2 not equal to 0. Okay. Sixth one, modulus z power n. This is equal to modulus z whole power n, where n is an integer. Okay, next, real part of z is less than or equal to modulus z, and the imaginary part of z is also less than or equal to modulus z. Okay, now we are going to prove the some of the properties. Okay, are you understand these properties? Okay, thank you.